let's do a little test. Let's do the AI hook versus my usual hook, like how I would normally start the video, and you guys tell me which would win. Have you ever wondered how YouTubers put out so much content consistently? The answer might surprise you. It's AI. What if we used AI to create my YouTube video's title? What about the thumbnail? Stop. Could I use it to create this video's hook? Let's find out. It's a regular Tuesday. I was just uploading, and as it's common, the creative juices just weren't flowing. So I opened up the chat, the famous chat, and I'm mind blown, so I had to show you. It already created the title for me. This that you see right here, created by Chat GPT. And not only that, but this that you see right here, the thumbnail, also part of an idea from Chat GPT. So I got the camera out, and now we're gonna finish this uploading process. Description is done, but now a very important part is this right here, the tags of the video, which in my opinion still work, and we need to get them done. So let's also use the chat for that. We're going to head over. So this is what I was using before I ran to the camera. I have recorded all of this, and I'll show you how that actually went down in just a second. But now we need to create the tags. So of course, I forgot to add, I'm not using the regular Chat GPT. This is actually Copy AI, and they have their own chat that is based from Chat GPT 4. It's more advanced from what they say, and I personally, as you can see, have had great results using it. Oh, it's creating hashtags. Not what we need. Gosh, everything was going insanely good until I pulled out the camera, because anything that I would just prop in, it would boom, blast out like the most mind-blowing answer. So bear with me. This is it. So I put in, how would people wanting to watch a video about whether they can still become a content creator in 2023 search for it? That's where chat is giving me a lot of searchable titles, which is what I personally use for my YouTube video tag. This is how it all started. I sat down and I asked, hey, what if you could create exciting and suspenseful titles for this video on can you become a content creator in 2023? And here's what it created for me. Over 10 different titles. The future of content creation. Is it too late for you in 2023? Unveiling the secrets. Can you break into the content creation? You get it. All of them are juicy and actually pretty great YouTube titles. But I decided to take it a step further because honestly, I thought I already had a title. These were much better, so I decided to go with one of these. But what I was actually looking for was that thumbnail text, which any person that's posting on YouTube knows that it's so important. It's not only the title, but what's actually on the thumbnail. So I asked it this. If this is the video title, the future of content creation, is it too late for you in 2023? What should the thumbnail say? Prepare to be mind blown. The video thumbnail should be visually engaging and should capture viewers' attention. Here are some thumbnail ideas that could work for the given title. 1. A person looking worriedly at the clock that reads 2023 with the words "time's running out" written on the thumbnail. 2. A person holding a camera and a microphone with a sad expression on their face with the words "is it too late" written on the thumbnail. I mean, insane. So I asked it to create even more suspenseful titles. Can you beat the clock? Content creation race 2023. Stay ahead or fall behind. 2023's content creation dilemma. The content creation battleground. Will you survive 2023? These are great, but we all know that YouTube title thumbnail text can't be that long because most of the time are scrolling through their phone, so they see it very, very, very small. So I asked it to create even more examples with a maximum of 5 words. And this is what we got. 2023, sink or swim. Content creation. Last chance, question mark. I mean, these are so good. Video, posted. What I wonder now is how much of a video could it actually help me create? But first, little coffee, which this is the cutest little thing that our Airbnb has. They even left us some pods. Shout out to them. I mean, what if I ask it to create a hook for this video? Create an engaging and suspenseful hook in form of a question for a video about how to use Chat GPT for YouTubers. Are you ready to unlock the groundbreaking secret that's taking YouTubers by storm, skyrocketing their creativity and unleashing endless possibilities? Dive into the world of Chat GPT 4 and transform your content game forever. I mean, it's good, but it's just definitely not my style. So I think if I said that, you guys would be like, what? What's happening to her? So change
that example into a casual, friendly one-to-one conversation.
You guys know it's like chill, like I'm talking to you, super chill, like a one-to-one, like friend-to-friend conversation. So let's keep playing with this. I found it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick my absolute favorite and let's do a little test. Let's do the AI hook versus my usual hook, like how I would normally start the video, and you guys tell me which would win. Have you ever wondered how YouTubers put out so much content consistently? The answer might surprise you. It's AI. What if we used AI to create my YouTube video's title? What about the thumbnail? Stop. Could I use it to create this video's hook? Let's find out. Moral to the story, I'm surprised, I'm amazed, and honestly, this has saved me so much time. Whether I think it'll take over or not, definitely not. Humans are still consuming content for that human connection, which only humans to humans can provide. This video would be completely different if there was no face on the screen and it was just like a text to speech video. It just wouldn't have that same emotion. So while I do think it was super helpful, I also saw, and you guys also saw, that some of the times it didn't really understand me and it didn't really word it exactly as I would word it. It does save time, for sure. It does give you that boost when your creative juices just aren't flowing, which is why I actually even opened it up in the first place this morning. But that human spice that only I can add to my own content, that only you can add to your own content, that is something that is still needed. But I still want to know, in your opinion, which of the two video hooks would take the lead?
We about to make it happen. So